everybody, this is Bi-Neh with Family Travel Africa, and today we are going to be making a delicious treat for Valentine's Day. I'll be making a puff pastry filled with Nutella and with the strawberries on top. Stay tuned to watch my latest creation. Our ingredients we are going to use is a little bit of flour, 4 strawberries cut in half, egg wash with a little bit of water, Nutella, and puff pastry sheets. The thing we're going to do is roll out our dough. So I'm going to take some flour and put it on our counter. I'm going to open up my puff pastry sheets. Pulled out my puff pastry and now I'm ready to cut it. So what I did with my puff pastry, I used this heart and I cut out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. No, I cut out 14 of them, and then 7 of the 14 I cut out tiny hearts, and so here are the tiny hearts. And then I left the other 7, and I have this heart right here.
So like Bi-Neh said, she cut out those hearts, and these are the bottoms, and then she cut out a tiny heart window from 7 more hearts, and those will go on top. But before, we are going to put some egg wash, right, Bi-Neh? This is just a total fun activity.
And easy too.
It is easy. What made it a little difficult for us, Bi-Neh, was the fact that we did not have
The tiny heart.
We had one, and then we set out to do it, and Mama goes, I just saw it, I just put it away, and of course Mama can't find it. So much for Mama, huh? Yeah. Okay, these look great. So Bi-Neh, you're just trying to secure those edges to make sure whatever we fill it in after it puffs up,
Yes.
does not seep out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It looks really good, Bi-Neh. So Bi-Neh, these are going in at 400 degrees for
10 minutes.
All right.
So guess what happened? Right after I just finished cutting my puff pastry sheets with a knife to make my tiny hearts, I found this. It would have been so much easier to just use this tiny heart because it fits in very well. So next time I should remember where I placed this. So the big hearts are ready now, and I'm going to take the Nutella. It's really cool because it has a golden wrapper. Gonna try to scoop the Nutella into the hearts with my 2 spoons. I started out, and my mom gave me a suggestion to use a spatula because the 2 spoons were too sticky. So I'm going to take this and put it in.
That looks really good, Bi-Neh.
Looks really yummy.
I bet you it's going to be yummy. I'm glad we made our little windows a little bigger because if they were too small, then we would have to use really tiny strawberries.
Over this way. We have 1 strawberry left.
Yeah, we thought we were going to have 8. Are you ready? You want some?
You want a strawberry?
Oh yeah, he never says no. Okay, one, just all at once. So this looks really good, Bi-Neh.
Made a flower.
Yeah, I think it's beautiful. So Bi-Neh's arranging her tiny hearts that she cut out in the middle.
I don't know how long can fit in a pattern.
They don't have to fit in the pattern. They just have to fit in there. Because, yeah, just keep putting them in. Looks really good. I think your little brother is really anxious to have, yep, there you go. You got a heart, a crunchy one. So, Bi-Neh,
I'm going to sprinkle this with some red sugar.
So some sprinkles. Cute. So red. All right. So I think it's time we're ready to taste it. You didn't hesitate, did you? All right. You're a Nutella lover. Happy? Okay. Tell us what's going on there. What's going on in that mouth of yours?
So, I like this because the dough is well cooked and it's really soft and flaky. And then Nutella adds a lot of sweetness, and I just like chocolate, so it's good. And then if you think it's too sweet, the strawberry is acidity. And if you don't think that's enough acidity, I guess you could do different fruits. So this is just really good, and it would be a really nice treat for Valentine's Day.
I think they're so pretty.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.